Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to change an employee's department in QuickBooks Accountant. Whether you're updating departments after a reorganization or just fixing an error, this process only takes a few minutes. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. On the login page, select QuickBooks Online, then enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, head to the Employees section. Here you'll see a full list of your employees. Use the search bar, if needed, to quickly find the employee you want to update. Click on their profile to open their details. On the profile page, go to the Employment Details section and click Edit. In Edit mode, locate the Department field. From the list, choose the correct department the employee should be assigned to. Selecting the right department is important since it affects payroll and interdepartmental reporting. Once you've made the change, click Save. Double-check the profile to confirm the update went through. And that's it. You've successfully updated an employee's department in QuickBooks Accountant. Quick, simple, and efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.